Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. Module 2 is a two-part module similar to Module 1. However, we do not have a discussion board this week. Instead, you will take your time across Module 2 exploring the resources available to you. The resources available to you will be beneficial as you work toward completion of both assignments, assignment number 1 and number 2 due this module. I would encourage you now to review the assignment guidelines for each assignment as well as the rubrics. There are videos relative to each assignment available to you in the assignment tab. Again, the module resources will be key as you complete both assignments. And again, the assignments are explained in more detail under the assignment tab. This is a two-part module. Part 1 is your completion of the All Hazards Preparedness Interview and Evaluation. And then Part 2 is completion of the Resiliency Tool or Resource Development Assignment. Again, you will use the resources across Module 2 to complete each of those assignments. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.